All right, welcome to my next video, another shoe unboxing. So today we're going to do a Nike by You creation. So again, we'll start off with the box, taking a look at it. So again, a Nike by You. So we've got that written, nice big letters up top. Little black and white edition on the box logos and art. Unlike our typical box, which flips open, this one we've got a little finger hole here to open up. You also notice Nike by Jason. That's a nice little ad. So whenever you order, you put your customer name, prints out and tells you who it is. So I already opened these up, but this typically is in there. So you slide them out. I was a little excited when these came, so I took out the paper already, but they're back in here. So we got the red and white Cortezes. So for those who don't know, I teach at a school whose colors are red and white, so had to get these to go with all of my school apparel. Went ahead and had a couple of options here, so I went with the Cortez insignia here on the shoelace jewelry. I could have put my name or something on the back. I went ahead and just kept it plain and clean with Nike. So these are just a nice clean red and white Cortez with the all red laces. So I really like the Cortez feel on the foot. Times it's a little bit snug. Probably should order these about a size up, but hey, for a nice clean red and white shoe, even a red gum sole at that, can't go wrong. So these are nice, clean pair of shoes. Toss that out of the way. Even the paper that's with it kind of goes along with the Nike by You motif. So you've got all the different parts of the shoe. So the shoe name, the different kind of logos, parts of the shoe. Nice little artistic piece. So nice little unique paper for the Nike by You edition. So we'll close this up. I actually like this box. I might keep that and throw some of my school supplies in there. But overall, nice hot red and white shoe. Goes with all that Colerain high school gear, or even, regardless of the school that you're in, it's that nice typical varsity red that Nike uses. So again, this is part of my shoe unboxing collection. So feel free to turn on your notifications, subscribe, so that way you can see when I release my next shoe video. And drop a comment. Tell me what you think about the creation I made. Because again, that's a Nike by me creation. Thanks, y'all.